Hi there, students. Normally, when we use colours, we use the verbs turn or go. For example, you must wait at the light till it turns green, till it goes green. Here, I wouldn't use the verb get, and I probably wouldn't use become either. When you are embarrassed, you turn red, you go red. Okay, so when there's a gradual process of change of colour, we use the verbs turn or go. Okay? The desert is dry and yellow, but when it rains, everything turns green. Okay? So, to turn a colour. He was feeling sick. It looked as though he was turning green. Okay? The sky is turning dark, is going dark. Yeah? So, turn or go plus a colour. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. You could post any comments you have. You could favourite this video or subscribe to my channel if you're not already. So, bye for now. See you soon.